Coming up on this program, we show you how to get connected. Find out how to choose an internet service provider. Discover the newest form of communication, electronic mail.
Ways down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, been holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for
Hello, everybody. So, Sheena, you're continuing to fall? Please be careful. Learn to tumble. That's my advice to you. Learn to tumble. Oh, thank you. Hi, Beverly. Hi, Bill. Sashina, of course. Who else is here? Oh, Streamlabs, my little brethren. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope that, oh, thank you, Naybell. Hi, Shane. Yes, I'm going for a specific look tonight, and I think I've achieved it. But we will see as we continue on our journey, Anastasia. Right? Anyways, I hope that everybody has had a wonderful weekend. It's not quite my Friday, so our schedule is a little bit off, but don't worry, we'll get through it. We'll get through it together. Part of the way that we'll get through it is by watching Court together. So yeah, let's get around to doing that, shall we? I got us a first appearance docket from Georgia. I'm channeling Georgia tonight because the temperature is like Georgia. Okay? I am sweaty. But my hair seems to be holding up for the moment. We'll see. We'll see. Hi, Cellulite Yoga Pants. Snake. Okay. The snake fell. Okay. So Sashina has some shit going on. Oh, you guys like the furniture too? Thank you. Yes, I've done some redecorating. Okay. It is so hot. Oh my gosh, we're experiencing a heat wave, and remember, we don't have AC. Okay? Oh my god. Why is it so hot on my head? Why is my head so hot? She asks. To nobody in particular. It's just the way it is. If I hadn't done my hair today, I would have been trying to copy a different hearing, but I've also... Oh, we're not doing the interpreter case. Sorry, ma'am. I'm really sorry. But we're going to just skippity-doo-dah all the way to here. And get us going. Do I look a bit like a news reporter? Or like an executive? That's the look I'm going for. Okay. Let's go.
Bunch. It's just not endorsed.
Yeah,
I remember her. She's not that.
An executive reporter. Exactly.
All right,
Coming
let
to
me
you. Oh, Judge.
do somebody else first, please. I
I've
can
said that
locate her
before.
paperwork.
Can you do somebody else first, please? I'm a little busy at the moment.
Oh, I have her. Here we go. I got her. She was out
Never
of
mind.
order.
I'll squeeze you in. Sorry, that was funny. That made me laugh.
All right, Ms. Barnes, you're charged with theft by conversion. That bond is set at $4,000, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Wow, just like that, Judge? Just that quick? Holy shit. Okay. Okay. Start watching.
What's your name?
Yeah. My name's Paisley. I'm Paisley. Nice to meet you. Practice handshake. Firm.
I can't hear her name,
I said Paisley.
but she's on mute.
Gloria Brown, Your Honor.
Brown, okay. Gloria Brown. All right, Ms. Brown, you are charged with battery family violence. I've set that bond at $5,000. You must stay away from Brenda Caney. Was that Rainey? And you may not return to 887 Pine Valley Drive in Forest Park, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. And I have also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Can I ask a question?
Uh-huh.
Will I be able to get my property from there?
Yes, and so you can go back when accompanied, but only while accompanied to law enforcement officer to get your paperwork. Excuse me, to get your belongings.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Carr is right. Carr Perry.
Keep it clean and keep it legal, ma'am. Move
All right,
along.
say
Next.
your name.
Paris Carr.
All right, Ms. Carr,
Paris?
you're charged with deposit account fraud. That bond is set at $3,000, forgery in the fourth degree, $3,000 for a total bond of $6,000. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
Hold on, not done.
Sorry.
And I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Judge is so fast tonight, Mikey. How are you? I'm glad you're present.
What's your name?
Jasmine Deshay.
I don't know
Okay.
what the fuck she said. The judge has some paperwork. Streamlabs. What are you doing? Thank you, Mikey. I see that. I appreciate it. I don't know why it didn't do the do. But I appreciate you. Thank you. What the fuck? Oh, and it does tell us a red hand pointing up. It knows it was in there. Streamlabs, you're on the clock.
All right, Ms. Benton, you are charged with criminal damage in the second degree. That
Deshay.
bond is, say that again?
Jasmine Deshay.
Oh, that wasn't her name.
Oh, I'm sorry, Jasmine.
Enunciate, ma'am. Do you see what that almost
Could you
cost
say
you?
your last name?
Deshay, Deshea.
Sounds like she's saying with a B. It starts
Yeah.
with a B?
No,
D as in Delta.
Oh, D. Okay.
I thought she's saying V is in vagina.
Here it is. All right. You're charged with simple battery. I've set that bond at $500. The victim here. How do you know the victim?
He's my boyfriend.
And y'all reside together?
Yes.
Not no more.
Is this the first incident?
Yes. Well, with me, yeah.
Do y'all have children that reside in this home?
Yes, we got two.
I'm trying to determine if I'm going to take you out of this home. Generally, as a general rule, I have to remove you from the home. If I took you out of the home, where would you live?
I'm just gonna start talk to him about it, and we was gonna go to council. We was gonna try to get counsel. So I was trying to see if I can get like a simple, like a signed bond, because this is my first offense. So I'm just trying to see if we can, because I told him we was gonna go to counseling.
Who are two fugitives? Harvey and Dan.
Are you talking to me? I am not fidgeting and
Mr. Sheriff,
arguing.
if I put you back in this house, we're not gonna have problems again, are we? Because I'm gonna give you a chance. I'm gonna place in here that you are not to have any violent or harassing contact with Angel. Was it? What is that?
No angels.
Yeah, Guadalupe. Can't read my own handwriting. You can handle that? And I'm only doing it because you don't have a criminal history. And you have minor children. But more importantly, because you don't have a history. All right, I'm taking a chance on you. I've set your bond at $500. You're gonna have to bond out.
So I can't get a signed bond.
Yeah, on family violence, I can't give a signature bond. Mm,
The dope. Just wait for the shoot.
I'm gonna go ahead and let you out.
Thank
All
you.
right. Good. And so your preliminary hearing is
Oh my God,
September
she
9th. And once you
convinced
get
her.
out, you don't have to worry about that. All right.
I'm
Good luck to you,
busy,
ma'am.
obviously. Distracted while she's off here sweet talking the judge.
Austin in jail. He's arguing with y'all.
Hello,
What's your name?
Kyle George.
I'll slide down for you.
Wasn't this lady here already? That jail is so loud. Oh, it's so hot here. Holy fuck.
IFETAYO.
George is your last name, though, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct.
I did it myself. You mean her
I
hair?
have the
Oh, she
warrant
probably
here,
did it
but I don't-
herself too.
I have the I don't have the bond. It's George.
You said you have my warrant?
Um. Hold on.
They're not loud. They're loud. I don't know what I'm talking.
So y'all loud, first period still going on, y'all right here. All of it.
All of it.
Yeah.
It was actually
Oh, you think?
back of another. Oh, yes, I need to print that out.
I like it.
I said it right.
You did. That's the only word. That's crazy. That is crazy. That's
All right, she's gonna let me hold for her because I don't have her criminal history or anything right in front of me. So if you could put her back for just a moment.
Yes, Your Honor. She can go to the back of the line.
She's like, shit, she's gonna figure me out.
Harvey.
Hardy, what you mean, dead now?
What's your name?
Jada Harding.
Jada, I'm fucking tired, Judge. I just woke up. Girl, you act like you've been doing shit all day. You're in jail. Okay? I'm sorry. I don't even think these are the morning dockets. Sounds loud as fuck in there. How are you so tired? Oh, she's making me tired. Perk up!
All right, Ms. Harding, you are charged with violation of Georgia Controlled Substance. The bond is set at $1,000, loitering $1,000 for a total bond of $2,000, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for September the 8th at 8:30 a.m., but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about it. I don't see her CAA form.
She is not hard.
Um,
Hi, Casey Carey. How's your life? How are you?
all right, it does appear that you qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I am appointing one to you. Do you need to go into drug court, ma'am? Do you need some substance abuse help?
It wouldn't help.
Why wouldn't it help?
I said, I mean, it wouldn't hurt. That's what I meant to say. It wouldn't.
Oh,
Yeah, it wouldn't hurt.
okay.
Oh my god, big fucking difference there. Oh, eating pancakes and eggs. Now I'm hungry. I've had
Alrighty.
not a lot to eat today.
I have I was sending over your paperwork for that information to try to get you in that program. All righty, good luck to you, ma'am.
And court is on the 9th.
Yes,
Okay, thank you.
you're welcome.
Come on, John. All right. You got out and came back out?
The only time I've regretted my hair is when girls like this show up or people with crazy hair show up and I can't duplicate it anymore.
No,
But the trade-off is better.
With that food,
Your name?
Skylar Jones.
Jones.
I didn't even get no water because
You guys, please shh.
Mhm.
What is that? Is somebody in the toilet at the jail?
All right, Miss Jones.
Chris got around out on this.
This never happened to court before. Judges sat in courtrooms. They never heard toilets flushing.
Just looking.
Yeah, go ahead and guess what she did.
Yes.
Henry went home. Addis Henry. She burned it out.
Who did?
Addis Henry.
The last name is Henry.
Yeah. She was after Harden.
Okay. Oh, good. Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. So, Miss Jones, I'm setting your bond at 4,000. You may not have any contact with Wayne Marshall, and you may not return to the 8118 Woods Lane in Jonesboro, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do y'all reside together?
No, we don't. We haven't spoke since.
That's his location, though.
No, it's not.
That was just a separate location.
That was where I lived. That was where I lived at the time. The location that happened at. I was the one that called the cops.
Alrighty, and so you can't return there. If you have anything there, you can go back, but only while accompanied by law enforcement to collect your personal belongings. All right. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Mikey, thank you so much for camming here
your name?
from Colin's channel. I really appreciate that. Hi,
All right,
Colin,
Ms.
and thank you so
Johnson.
much for the raid. Get your guesses in the chat. Why is she here? What did she do? These
loud.
are first appearances. Also, everyone needs to be quiet. They're yelling at the jail. Did you hear that sigh?
Professionals, not professional. We are professional deputies.
And why would you go back over there?
I was honestly, I want he gonna see his son.
Honestly,
It's
what?
been 5 months, so I wanted to be. He was begging to see his son. It's been 5 months he hasn't seen his son, so I was trying to be nice, let him see his son. So I came down to visit, let him see his son, and again.
All right, battery, it's gonna be 3,000, criminal trespass, 2,000, and a violation of that bond, I'm supposed to not give you a bond at all on that because you violated your bond order. Um,
Hi, Mayor. Oh, it was 69 for so long. It only works for so long. You can only 69 for so long. That's really the reality of 69.
This will never happen again, that's for sure.
Also, everyone's names are fucked up, but KTZ joining us too. Thank you guys. What a night of rating. Mikey, thank you. Oh my gosh, it sounds like a gymnasium.
Oh, you want
trying to see when this bond order came.
I believe it was in March. That's when the last incident happened. It was March 16th.
That's before my birthday. Hi, KTZ. Thanks for the raid. We're just having our regularly scheduled Sunday Court Watchers Anonymous meeting where we gather and we watch
Didn't
court
say anything
together.
about the report says nothing about you were trying to see the child. It says that you were trying to see him.
No, I was letting him see the child. I was letting him see the child, our child. So that's why they said I violated. I was letting him see the child. He's not supposed to be near me or the child, our child.
Where do you reside?
I live in Delaware. I came here to visit just for him to see his son. And I'll never do it again.
Is this your only child?
Yeah.
And where's the child now?
With his grandfather, with the abuser's dad right now. That's why I really need to get to my baby.
Ma'am, be careful.
I'm gonna set you a
NPC,
bond,
thank you so much.
but it's gonna be 8,000
Okay.
because you had no. But not only did you go back, you went back and then allegedly punched them and
I was
fighting
defending
and
myself.
damning the. I mean,
I was defending myself just like the last time.
okay. All righty. I've set your preliminary hearing date for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Also, I don't know why it's not do, but I appreciate you, NPC. Thank you. Okay, what did this lady do?
What's your name, ma'am?
Lexis
Say that again.
Nelson.
Nelson.
That's a car, ma'am.
Hey.
Exactly, that's a car. Alexis Nelson edition.
Nelson, you are charged with battery. Everybody's so violent. I don't understand.
I don't get it either. It's out of control. KTZ
Do
slipping
you and
into
Mr.
Mikey's
Hewlett
DMs.
reside
I love
together?
it.
Not anymore.
All right, you can't go back to that location.
Okay.
Which is 8702 Embry Drive. And where is that? What is that considered? What city is that considered?
Jonesboro.
All right, and you can't have any contact with Mr. Hewlett. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. You can go back to collect any of your personal belongings that are not in dispute, but only while accompanied by law enforcement officers.
Oh my God, Bill, you fixed it with $5. I love you. Thank you so much. And oh, look, it literally fixed it. Gifting 5 memberships. Yay!
Sir, I'm setting your bond at 3,000.
Thank you, NPC, for 5.
Let's see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney.
Oh, everybody's so violent today.
You do qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I am appointing you one. All right, good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Mikey knows every position I have on being his West Coast correspondent. We've talked about it. When the time is right.
I need that bond order on. Okay. Yeah, okay. I need that bond order on that one. All right, what's your name?
Sierra Oliphant.
Oliver?
Oliphant.
Your name, Rodney?
Spell your last name?
OLIP.
Okay. Oh,
Oliphant.
all right, I see.
Back to 69 after a little break.
Summer? Why you keep me Gecko? The 2 sisters. Child D. Olivia is first.
Oh my God, Judge. This is crazy. She is disorganized. Some of the judges are organized. She is not organized. You know what you can organize right now? Hitting the like button now that we're back to 69ing.
All right, you're charged with criminal trespass. You cannot have any contact with Demetrius Newman.
No, baby. No talking.
Do y'all reside together?
No, ma'am.
All right, and so the incident location, you can't go back there. 3156 Mount Zion Road. Number 4, apartment 1402. And is that considered Jonesboro? Yes, Stockbridge.
Stockbridge.
So if you didn't know, Clayton County is actually contiguous to Fulton County, Georgia, where Judge Manning is. But that just means it touches.
Setting your bond at 3,000. Again, no contact with Mr. Newman, and you may not return to the 3156 Mount Zion Road, apartment 1402. And I am appointing an attorney to you. I've set your preliminary hearing for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Good luck to you.
Counties are touching a lot. Oh, she's back.
George.
All All right.
That's Georgiana. You told her to come back up.
Yes, got her.
Oh, you got her? Yeah.
What what Roger's playing for head? Keep going.
Judge Manning is a riot. We've been watching a little bit of her lately. It's always fun. She is full of some southern phrases, I guess you would say. Turns of phrase. If you didn't know, I'm Canadian, so it's all a little foreign to me.
I told him I had a good head.
Well, I did not. I never heard him say that. I never anything mentioned.
Because you went up there.
I knew I was never here.
And you and Mr. Jones reside together?
No, not anymore. He left that night.
How do you know?
Bless
It's
you.
been my boyfriend for 5 years.
How do you know he left that night?
Oh no, he took his stuff, and we.
How do you know that?
They let me lock up the apartment. He grabbed all his stuff outside. The police was right there. They didn't leave until both of us left. So. They took me and he had all his stuff outside.
Yeah.
All right, I'm putting no contact with him.
Okay.
This jail is insane. It sounds like they have a tumbling
your bond at
gym
2,000.
operating there.
Okay.
Like full-on gymnastics happening, people flipping
You said something
around.
about my warrant. Did I?
You have to qualify right here.
Do you know when that court date is? Yeah.
I am going to go ahead and appoint an attorney to you.
Okay.
I'm certified on post. This ain't qualified. This one.
There's the toilet again. That's
Alright, good
the
luck to you,
second
man.
time.
Oh, did you hear my question? I'm
What
sorry.
was your question?
You said that I had a warrant, right?
No, I'm saying, yeah, I have the warrant that you're in front of me on.
Oh, okay. All right.
All right, good luck.
You took Dave's help. I said, something else I can't say.
What's your name?
Kendria Rogers?
Rogers?
Yes, ma'am.
It's just like adding insult to injury to
Ms.
just
Rogers,
have
you're
to hear
charged with
that.
theft by shoplifting. That bond is set at $1,500.
What store is she not allowed to go to? Where do we think? I believe Aldi. That's my guess. Get your guesses in the chat. Where did she shoplift? Where can't she go? That's what I would like to know. And yeah, that's the second toilet flush that we have heard. Target. Everybody loves Target in the chat. You think that she was stealing something at Target? A Circle K. Harder to steal there. Aren't they small? I don't know. Okay. I love all these guesses. I love it. Look at them all coming up in the chat. Okay. IHOP Mayor. I love it. Now I want fucking
May
pancakes.
not return to the Walmart on 2940 Anvil Block Road in Ellenwood, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond.
No Walmart. Y'all got it right with the Walmart. Yeah, we'll start a drinking game for every time they flush the toilet, we have to drink. I'm drinking Gatorade Zero, so I'm not too worried about over-imbibing.
I am appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
question.
Uh-huh.
They also said I had a warrant. You know what's going on with that?
I won't know it. I don't know anything about that.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
You good to go? Go sit down. Summer.
That's a two. There you go.
No, it ain't got me.
All
Hello,
right. Hi. What's your name?
Ariane Summers.
Summers. Mm-hmm.
Yes, Your Honor.
This necklace was made for me by Cellulite Yoga Pants, the one and only. It's a beautiful pearl necklace. I love a pearl necklace. One of my favorite things. That's a Sunday night activity usually, but I'm glad to put it on for the afternoon. Well, I guess it's nighttime now. I sort of lost track of time. That happens when... Why did I leave? Oh. You know what? It's funny, Maybell. I'm used to people calling me Paige, even though my name is Paisley. For some reason, I've been trained to respond to that. Who just You yourself. It's hard being Paige or Paisley.
All right, Miss Summers.
Yes, Your Honor.
And that is Ariana?
Ariane.
Is that right?
Ariane.
Okay. All right. You're charged with violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act. That bond is set at 5,000. Possession of marijuana less than an ounce. That's 500. Violation of another VGCSA. That's 8,000. Use or possession of drug related. That's 500. Driving a vehicle on cancel registration, 1,000. No insurance, 1,000. Theft by receiving stolen property, 3,000. Possession of a weapon during the commission of a crime, 5,000. And the last violation of Georgia Controlled Substance, 2,000.
Excuse me, Your Honor. May I ask you a question? What is the cancel registration?
That means your tag. Something was wrong with your tag. Tag on the car.
Possibly the least of your worries after all that shit, man.
Change some numbers, so I gotta re-add your number.
It's all coming up. Two more. Got two more.
Two more? That's it?
So it looks
Really?
like it's a total of 25,000. Your preliminary hearing is September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
10% of 25,000 is $2,500, $2,500.
It's about 15. Usually, it's about 15%.
About 15%. So that's about like 3,000.
Something like that, yeah.
All right.
Trying to.
Oh. Yeah.
I am going to appoint an attorney to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Peace out. Next.
You want the two sisters, Your Honor, Miss Toll and Toll?
Two sisters!
You want the two sisters together?
Oh, who is the two sisters?
I tell you right now, you don't. You think you want two sisters together. You actually don't. It's weird. I promise you. You don't want it. Two girls that will pretend to be sisters is better. I promise you.
We got two sisters in here?
That's what I said. They two sisters.
Wow.
That's
You want
what
them at the
I
same time to
said.
talk to them?
Yeah, yes, that would be great. Let's see.
How about side? There they go.
Okay.
Good morning. Good morning.
Well, good afternoon.
Oh, it is afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
Yeah, so we're gonna get guessing. Were they fighting? I can't imagine they're fighting each other if they're letting them stand up there together, but perhaps they were. Were they criming together? Committing crimes together? What was happening? Oh my gosh, get your guesses in the chat. You think that there was crime happening together? I guess they weren't fighting each other. For some reason, we've often seen people that are related one way or another coming into this court, but they tend to be fighting each other, not standing there sheepishly looking at each other. I think something went a little amiss here. I'm gonna guess that they tried to steal services. That is the guess that I am going to make. Stealing services. Let's see.
Hold on, let me.
She out like it.
He said tall as in Tull.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Reese, tall, and tall.
That man called me yesterday and said, bro, hey, he never been in trouble.
All right, hold on.
The short thing is, he never been in trouble. He said, don't put no blank in the car. Yeah. They had to do shackles.
Mortgage fraud. I like that legal fiction. That's a good guess. I like that a lot. Judge, enlighten us. Don't look puzzled like that, ma'am. It makes you look like this, frowny. You have to have a surprised, happy face.
Getting into this child kid stuff.
What? It was. Ah! No! Oh my god. She did not fucking say that. Ah! I'm gonna let her go back. I don't think they mean child care, Patrick. Jesus fuck. Okay, we don't like that around here, by the way. Nobody does, but we really... What? Siblings, what? Some people need to be called. Okay, I'm gonna go back 10 seconds. Look what she says after she reads this. Oh my god. Did I pre-watch this? No, if you can tell.
Getting into this child kid stuff.
It was a misunderstanding. A very big. It was supposed to be
Y'all, and then y'all got y'all kids looking at this foolishness.
It was supposed to be just a conversation.
And which one is Lanisha Tull? It's Tull, and you have a history of violence. You got so many violent offenses on your criminal history. Do y'all reside in the same home?
No, ma'am.
So who resides at 526 Fielding?
None of us stay there.
That's just the incident location?
Yes, ma'am.
Need to be ashamed. Y'all sisters acting like this. All right, so Lanisha Tull.
Listen, running an unlicensed daycare don't get you beat up
The
in
allegation
jail.
is that you
Oh,
also
wait! I'm gonna say this. Generally, the judge doesn't say this kind of shit because they get hurt in jail when you say what they might have done. Allegedly, in my opinion. We'll see what happens.
Engage your daughter into the physical fight?
No, that's not what took place. I came there to have a conversation with the adults while the kids was all
They
down.
fought a kid. Oh my god, not as bad. Still bad. Definitely not as bad as my mind was going. Okay. Alright, okay. Don't beat up children. Don't encourage children to beat up other children either. Judge, you cannot fucking lead like that. What are you doing? Jesus fuck.
Street yelling. I came to the adults.
Me and your sister?
No, the other parent that.
Oh, y'all were fighting somebody. I mean, allegedly.
Yes,
met
ma'am.
with somebody else.
Yes, ma'am.
I see. I'm sorry. I thought y'all were in mutual combat against each other.
Oh no, that's my sister.
Right. That's why I said y'all need to be. You still need to be ashamed. But I was thinking that you guys were fighting each other.
Oh no, ma'am. No.
We were all wrong. We love
Can't be
it
getting in this
when we're
game with
wrong.
these kids. All right. So on the battery, I'm going to set that bond at $3,000, contributing to the delinquency of a minor $2,000 for a total bond of $5,000. You cannot have any contact with Precious Lewis. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. And I have also appointed an attorney to you.
I have a lawyer.
Okay, but I'm appointing an attorney, but once your attorney files his entry of appearance, then that attorney will be removed.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
It's not the flex you think it is to have an attorney.
I see. Miss Tall, I see you don't have a history.
No,
Miss
ma'am.
Jalevia,
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
don't let your sister be getting you in trouble. Not let your sister be getting you in trouble. All right, I'm going to let you out because you don't have a history.
Thank you.
Make sure the court has your proper information so that you can make sure you get court notices. If you don't, you're going to miss a court date and then you'll be back here in jail. All right, so you'll be released today. Sign that waiver for me.
Thank you. You have a good day.
All righty.
Hey, Yana.
And I'm also appointing an attorney to her.
Hey, Yana.
Yep.
That's all the females. Can we do one male first, Jalen Freeman?
All right, so hold on. So as far as the males, because I didn't get through all of them, let me get the ones that I did get through.
Did you get through Freeman?
It's an F.
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
I need to take him? Is he
Yeah.
cutting up?
Yeah.
Okay, Freeman. All right. I do.
He's
Yes, I
cutting
did do
up.
Freeman.
He's cutting
You
up,
gotta read
folks.
this up too. We have
What does
problems.
that mean? I don't know what that means.
Reading his rights. You heard me?
Dancing? Does that mean he's dancing?
You heard me?
Huh?
You gotta read him his rights. You let him
Oh, okay.
on his rights read so.
Yeah, but still, it's big from the dorm. The chaplain's not here. Call the chaplain. You should call the chaplain. No, it's just her.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, so that means I could be described as cutting up a lot.
Andrew. Let them in. Freeman's coming out.
What's your name?
Leave all the Dome 6 for chaplain. He's coming.
Y'all get a dorm or honey?
Dome 6.
You say you're gonna take them home.
I said, that's the dorm.
He must have.
Dorm on this side, house on this
I don't want to cook in my house. It's so hot, you guys. Arraignment court is not dating. Are we serious?
I think you're on jail.
I thought we were talking about dating.
The Freeman, what's going on?
Ma'am, how you doing, ma'am? First of all, how you doing?
First,
I'm fine, but what are you back there doing?
I got into it with an officer. You talking about as far as
Why? Why?
These officers keep targeting me here. I've been here 4 years. I beat all my original charges that brought me here. I'm here for nothing but charges that I caught in the jail.
But do you think your behavior is
Officers are targeted. This is not a safe
gonna
jail.
let you get home? Do you think your behavior is gonna get you home any faster? You keep catching charges.
These folk keep doing stuff to me, so I'm fine. I mean, if as long as these folk do something to me, I feel like I'm protecting myself. These folk keep doing stuff to me, I feel like I'm protecting myself. This is not a safe facility, so I'm gonna keep protecting myself. So if that comes with charge, then so be it. I'm gonna keep protecting myself. The liability
Spitting on an officer.
The officer spit on me, and then everything is alleged right now. Nothing is concrete.
Right, everything is alleged. You're absolutely right. I agree.
Yeah. So
but I'm just saying what's alleged.
What's
Alleged is that you spit
right
on an officer. Okay.
Allegedly.
Allegedly, absolutely.
Levon Allen has people on his payroll that have never set foot in this jail.
Okay. All right. So your battery charge, I set it at $5,000. Obstruction, $3,000 for a total bond of $8,000.
Yes, ma'am.
I've set your preliminary hearing for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m.
Yes, ma'am. This jail needs an audit. Levon Allen is not spending the money that he's getting for the government on this jail. Everything is broken here. My toilet does not work and my seat does not work. I'm in an inoperable cell right now.
Okay. I'll note that.
Yes, ma'am.
999. Okay, these are misdemeanors.
Yeah,
Okay.
both misdemeanors.
And I have appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am. I got a substitute for human rights and the money.
I mean, honestly, I've heard some pretty bad things about jails in Georgia. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like he might be telling
Sounds like
the
somebody's
truth.
still cutting up.
Judge,
what's his
Yeah.
name? We're gonna have Jenkins up here. He can't. He doesn't have any vision, but he can hear you.
Okay.
Jenkins is blind and he's in jail? Jesus Christ, Jenkins, what the fuck did you do?
We doing all medical.
Okay. All right.
Montgomery and Vernon looking for just stand right here.
Okay.
Mr. Jenkins, you're charged with criminal trespass.
What's your name?
Yes, ma'am.
The intent, hold the fucking phone for a second. Hold. Criminal trespass. Are you telling me that he walked somewhere he shouldn't have? What is going on? Oh dear. Oh dear.
Let me look at your history.
Somebody could put a little buzzer on it so that if he goes into a no-go zone, it vibrates or something.
I don't see any recent history.
Yeah, he ignored all the signs. All the signs.
I have no criminal record.
Yes.
Trespass purposes. Do you guys reside at this house together?
That's my home, ma'am. That's my niece. She was homeless.
Okay.
My wife, we went and picked her up. This is not the first time. It's the third time she don't stay with us. And she moved out.
And she got you criminally trespassed from your own
And I
house?
had,
That's confusing.
and when she moved out, she wouldn't come and get her stuff. And so I wrapped it up and I set it on pallets. and if I'd have knew I was breaking the law, Your Honor, I wouldn't have did that.
Now, I've just recently learned that in the southern America, that pallets doesn't mean what it means here where I live, which is like wooden shipping pallets. I'm assuming he's not talking about wooden shipping pallets, but maybe he is. I don't know. My God. Where did the judge go? What is she putting on, by the way? That's what I would like to know. Because I want to go get another drink, a cup full of ice. That's what I want so bad. But can I leave a blind guy to handle the whole show? I don't know. I don't think so. I think that's probably not allowed. And then judge abandons us? What the fuck?
I didn't know I was breaking the law when I did that.
Okay. Okay.
You got this, Judge? Come
But
on.
she still resides with you.
No, ma'am, she don't live there. She moved out. She have her own place.
But then why does she have stuff at your house?
Because well, first of all, she got put out. She had a Section 8 apartment and she got put out. So she had about 12 boxes in the garage. When she got put out, she wouldn't come stay with us. She moved in with one of her girlfriends. So her and her girlfriend couldn't get along, so she got put out there. So I've been dealing with her all my life, so I love her. But like I say, Your Honor, I take full responsibility of putting her stuff out. But when I put her stuff out, I didn't just set it out. I wrapped it up and I set it on some pallets. And I've had a tarp cover. So she came over there with her boyfriend. Okay, she won't pick up the phone when you call her. She won't respond, but she gonna bring her.
So, Mr.
Yes, ma'am.
Jenkins, looking at the warrant and your criminal history, I'm gonna dismiss this case. So you will be released today.
Thank you, ma'am.
But you can't have any more run-ins with her.
I know the next time she come over, I'm gonna call the police over there.
Right,
We'll get her.
exactly. Yep, okay.
Call her
All right,
boyfriend.
We call that the
There's
Big
a way
D
you have
around
to do it.
here, ladies and gentlemen. The Big D. I walked away, and she gave the Big D. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. I could hear it from the kitchen where I was getting the ice. I was like, oh my God, we're getting the Big D. Woo! We love it. Judge. It used to happen so often. Oh my God. Oh, I love it. Look at the emojis in the chat. Woo! I mean, the blind guy gets the Big D? Sure. Sure. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
All righty.
God bless you.
Thank you. I receive it.
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on, we're gonna get you. Hold on. Grab his arm.
Can I get Lance? What's your name?
David Bircham.
David, you got a hard act to
David.
follow, David.
Last name is David?
No, it's Bircham.
Bircham.
Your Honor, I told them to alarm you that we're gonna do all three of these. The one you just saw and the next two, they're metal.
Okay. All right.
Oh, David, you got a tough act, bro. He just got his Big D case dismissed. Hard to think that we're gonna get 2 in a row. Sometimes you're so lucky. Some nights you get Big D after Big D after D after D after D. You know what I mean?
Ma'am, if I could, I have a few things I'd like to address, please.
Hold on. I can't even read this warrant at all.
Well, I can give you the gist if you'd like me to, because they.
No, sir. Shut the fuck up.
It's a warrant for me supposedly attacked.
Sir, shut the actual fuck up. Okay? You are blocking your blessings right now. She can't read it. It don't exist. You understand? Why are you doing this?
But I was the one that was being attacked. And if you don't mind, I'll show you proof of it right now, if you don't mind. So you can see this on.
No, I don't want to see proof.
I'm just saying. I also got bruises on my arm. I was in my house, and my girlfriend's daughter and her boyfriend were there. Well, they got mad, and I was in my bedroom talking to my girlfriend, and she come in there and started yelling, talking about busting up my shit, and I got thousands of dollars worth of guitar, so I walked out there. Well, she come up, she had a metal walker, okay, and she was coming at me with it. So all I was to do was, okay, and then at the same time, her boyfriend comes up behind and said, he told me that he was trying to keep her from hitting me with it. But what actually happened is I was standing my ground in my house. Like I said, I had told them to get out because the only reason I came out of my bedroom is because she told her mom that she was going to break up all my shit, or I wouldn't even come out. Now, they didn't even bother. The police officers didn't even bother taking my side of it. What they did is I was sitting down. There was no fussing and fighting at the time when they come up, okay? They took those two out, asked them the questions, come in and got me, put me in handcuffs, and then when they give me the Miranda rights, I was trying to tell them stuff, and all they would tell me is, you're innocent until proven guilty. So they basically didn't want to hear anything I had to say. I told them they're not only on drugs, they're both high, and they both were up for God knows how long. And they called the ambulance because she was falling. She was doing that earlier. They had come into my house at 4:30 in the morning, and I had just gotten back from dialysis. So this whole thing that blew up, they come at me. I was in one spot. I never moved except for to try and get them away from me. And I kept telling them,
reverse
no,
with the
stop.
dialysis card. Sir, you need to act more frail and fragile. Even if you just got your dialysis, you need to tone it down, sir. Okay? You following a blind man who is feeling for the wall out of frame. You understand? So, you are moving too much. You're doing a lot. You're lucky right now that the judge is not watching this. But you need to tone it way down. Okay? And also, she hasn't even read your charges yet, bro. You should have not even spoke. All of this is now on the record. It's so dumb. It's so dumb.
So you know, as far as me trying to choke them, I was just trying to get them away from me. And they're about this tall. So I mean, unfortunately, I was either hit them in their head or whatever. I just was trying to get them off me because I mean they were up in my face. And ma'am, I'm 60 years old. I'll be 60 years old Sunday. Okay, I've never had any.
Yeah, I see that.
Oh my God, it's his birthday!
The wall was many years ago.
Well, it wasn't even my fault. That was when I had that brush, it was somebody stole my ID. So yeah, that was 3 years of heck.
All right, and so all right, so for the battery,
yes, ma'am.
I gave you a bond of 1,000.
Okay.
But on the aggravated assault, only because of your history and the way this warrant is written, I gave you a bond on the aggravated assault of only 5,000. That's unheard of.
Yes, ma'am.
So your total bond right now is $6,000.
Do I come up with 10% of that? See, I don't know how this works. How
Like 15%, somebody will have to bond you out.
15%. So that's going to be.
You say you're on dialysis?
Yes, ma'am. I just had gotten home from dialysis when all that stuff went down. Like I say, they didn't even give me a chance to say my side of the story.
Okay.
So,
You can't have any contact with David Fearson or Emily Peaks.
right. Well, they were at my house. They attacked me, like I said. So,
Okay.
yeah,
Well, you
I got no-
can't make sure you don't have any contact with them at all.
well, they
All
don't
righty.
in this town, yes, ma'am, unless they're at my house right now, which they very well could be. I don't know. But
All right. Well, if
Did
they
you-
are, you need to call the police. Let them know that they're trespassing.
yes, ma'am.
Um,
Well, yes, oh, yeah, I'm sorry.
All right. Your preliminary hearing is September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
And how much do I need for a bond out?
It's,
I'm
your
sorry.
total bond is 6,000.
Right, but I mean, I do 10%, right, or something like that. So that'd be what, 600? Okay, well, I need to make a phone call to see if she's got that in, because, you know, I don't get paid till Tuesday, so I don't know if I will have it now or it'll be Tuesday.
Okay. All righty. I'm sure they'll give you an opportunity to, I'm sure they'll give you an opportunity to call.
Thank you so much.
All righty.
Thank
Oh, he's paid on the 1st, I guess, but it's the holiday.
Who was that? That was Mr.
Bircham.
That was Mr. David Bircham. He did not get his big D tonight. I have a feeling I might not get my big D tonight either.
All right. Who do we have here?
I'm Paisley. I told you
Here
that,
now,
and I'm drinking
Montgomery.
Gatorade Zero.
Montgomery?
Yes,
Why
ma'am.
are we going out of order?
Those 3 medical.
Oh, that's right. You said that. I'm sorry. You're right. Apologies. Montgomery. All right, Mr. Montgomery, you're charged with obstruction. That bond is set at 1,000. Improper lane change, 500. Driving on suspended license, 1,500 for a total bond of $3,000. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond.
Yes, yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, I've had a suspended license case with you all in January. I got that case dismissed because I had proof and evidence showing that warrant for North Carolina was mistaken in their system.
Well, I'm going to appoint an attorney to you so you can tell that attorney all of that. So maybe he can get that part, maybe he can get that dismissed. I'm setting your preliminary hearing date for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. Again, your bond is 3,000. Good luck to you, sir.
Yeah.
Ma'am, may I talk to you just a second, please? I got a question. It's about, you said.
So I have a fan
So I
on.
got
It is
$6,000
very hot.
bond, but-
Hold on.
I'm melting.
Your Honor,
Yes.
Bertram would like to ask you a question.
It's not about the,
Hold on.
I'm sorry,
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. Yes.
Yes, ma'am, I'm sorry, I did you say I don't have a preliminary hearing or do?
You don't have a what?
Did you say I do or don't have a preliminary hearing?
You have a preliminary hearing for September the 8th.
Okay, and I'll have the court, the lawyer.
But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that date.
Oh, I don't, so then it'll be a different day.
Right.
Gotcha.
All right.
Go ahead with them. Bethany?
Hold on one second. Hold on.
Guitar man, move on. Sir, what did he do? It's so loud in the jail. Oh, please. Oh. Okay, they muted. I'm sorry. I'll stop singing. Aw, yeah. Thank you again to, we're not done, but thank you again to Kate, KTZ and
Alright, I'm
Colin
ready
for
when
their
you
raids,
guys
and
are.
Mikey for being brought here by both of them.
Y'all in the order that she called?
All right. And what's your name?
I can't hear you, ma'am.
What's your name?
Christine Benton.
Somebody here, Harvey?
Kasim Benton.
All right, Mr. Benton, you're charged with criminal damage in the second degree. That bond is set at 2,000, simple battery, 3,000, obstruction, 2,000, for a total bond of $7,000. You may not have any contact with Alicia McLeod, and you may not return to 852 Garden Walk Boulevard, apartment 8 in College Park, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you reside at that location, sir?
No, ma'am.
Okay, all right, so you shouldn't have a problem with staying away. It appears that you do qualify for a court-appointed attorney, and I have appointed one to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
We're done.
Oh, see. How much you
What
said the bond
about
is altogether?
Lance Brown?
Lance Brown,
Yes.
Is Deputy Jackson back there?
he left for a second.
Oh, okay. All right.
Deputy Jackson. Oh my God, please say thank you. Legal Fiction. Amazing. That is so generous. I am so thankful. You have just secured our night plans by being so generous. How can we say goodbye now? I love it. And thank you all for being members. Make sure that if you just got a membership, that you like and you thank Legal Fiction. Amazing. Amazing. Thank you.
All right. What's your name, sir?
Lance Brown.
All right, Mr. Brown, you're charged with battery. That bond is set at 5,000. You may not have any contact with Kate Brown. You may not return to 4552 3080 Dixie Road in Forest Park, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you reside at that location?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can go back, but only accompanied by law enforcement to pick up your personal belongings. Your preliminary hearing is scheduled for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Again, your bond is 5,000. Good luck to you, sir.
Is there any way I can see about OR? Because I got doctor's appointments coming up for workman's comp. I got my lawyers at John Foy and Associates. And I don't need to go back to the house. I just need to get out of here so I can do my doctor's appointment. I got to get needles, shots in me, and stuff like that.
Bruh, again, we just had somebody with dialysis, and then the guy before that was fucking blind. Okay? What do you want, a gold star, bro? You got to get needles? Oh, I'm so scared. Also, gold fucking star, by the way. Excellent work. I love it.
At that residence, which I don't. They have the sheriff or somebody go get it. Because I can't afford it. I have nobody. I have no phone numbers or nothing. And I got 2 appointments. One is a settlement and the other one for my workman's comp. And if I don't make those, I'm going to lose out on them. And it's been a year since I've been
So I
working on
can't
this.
give you on these facts. I cannot give you a signature bond. I'll go down to 3,000 though. So your bond is 3,000.
And when's my next court case? That's how long I'm going to be here.
Your preliminary hearing is September the 9th at 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
But I'm appointing you an attorney so they can try to work that out before that time.
Hi, Hector.
Okay.
All right. Good luck to you, sir.
Brown, Rodney.
I don't know. You tell me. I didn't call your name.
There's still time, Jen Regier.
What's your
There's
name?
still fucking time.
Mr. Brown, you're charged with aggravated assault. I set that bond at $20,000. Battery, $5,000. Your total bond is $25,000. You may not have any contact if you make bond with Tahalina Barlow,
Yes, ma'am.
and you cannot go back to 782 Dunaire Way in Jonesboro, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Did you reside at that location?
When I did, I was homeless, but I have my own place now. I don't need to go back there for nothing.
Your personal belongings are no longer there?
No, my brother got them from their house. I don't have to go there for nothing.
Okay, good.
My son's stuff out there too. That's the Lord fine I can get, man. I'm working a new job, but I get paid like $1,200 a week. It's a good job, but I only been working it for like a month because I got hired like a month after that situation happened.
Monday!
So I think right now,
Exclamation mark Monday! Hi, Adam! My hair looked better at the beginning of the stream, but it's held up a little bit. It's got a little body, and I bet if I used hairspray, it would do even better. That's the next step, folks. Also, again, sir, what is he whining about? I forgot.
I probably got like $1,500. My sister says she'll put in with me, but I'm not sure if she really gonna come through.
So you have quite a bit of criminal history.
All right. Okay, great, man. I'll figure it out. Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.
That was abrupt. Next!
Got them. 8, 5. Let him know that I am appointing him an attorney.
You like my pearls better?
Brown. I mean, she's appointing you attorney. Shh. Hold on. No. She's appointing you an attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. You got it?
Ain't bad.
They gonna slide that down.
Yay! Bringing us tea!
They got it? Yeah.
She does look scared. Sir, I think you're making my hair look bad. Can you stop that?
Excuse me.
What's your last name?
Check upstairs. Would they give us our medications that we need?
Where you at?
You probably gotta go to 6 o'clock. When you done.
So they won't give it to us.
Probably not.
But would they take us to like 6 call if we ask?
You can go to 6 o'clock. Tell them you're in court. You didn't get your name.
He has a lot of bracelets on, like a rave. And welcome if you're just getting here.
What's your
Judge
name,
is
sir?
back.
Quentin Bunch.
What was that about?
All right, Mr. Bunch, you're charged with battery, family violence. That bond is set at $8,000. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. You must stay away from Zion Fuller, and you can't go back to that 241 Falcon Drive in Forest Park. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that, okay?
Just ma'am, is there that I can get like a lower bond? The officer told me it was gonna be a simple battery or something like that. Officer Taylor. I got his number and stuff. He said it was gonna be a simple battery. He said because he
So the allegations is that you were striking Zion Fuller in the face and in the mouth. You were hitting him or that biting him in the jaw and in his back. Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah,
And let me see your criminal. Let me relook at your criminal history. Man, I shouldn't have gave you no bond. You out on bond for aggravated assault. I should deny your bond. You asking me for a lower bond? Stay out of trouble.
I will.
Good luck to you.
Thank you. And you said 8,000?
8,000.
Who you booing,
I
Tin
did appoint
Man?
you an attorney. All right, what's your name?
Kavari Campbell.
Campbell. You're charged with criminal trespass.
Take a
The bond
drink.
said it
No, Judge. We take a drink whenever somebody flushes the toilet at the jail. Go ahead and take a drink of whatever you've got. Water would be good. Also, again, don't block your blessings. Don't push your luck, you dumb fuck.
$1,500. You must not violate any laws once you bond out of jail. Your preliminary hearing is September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Man, is there a way I could get a lower bond? I can afford $1,000 right now. I have $1,000 on my books I could pay my bond with right now. Man, please.
Out on bond for aggravated assault.
No, I'm not. That was. I can't get it lower. Can I get $1,000 bond, please?
I've set it at $1,500, sir. I'm not lowering that. Have a good day.
He had aggravated assault too?
What's your name? What is it?
Antonio Crawford.
Cross?
Crawford.
Crawford.
Antonio Crawford.
All right, Mr.
Yes,
Crawford,
ma'am.
your bond, you're charged with aggravated assault by strangulation. I've set that bond at $15,000. Cruelty to children, $5,000 for a total bond of $20,000. You may not have any contact with Denisa Felder, and you may not return to 1161 Pine Glen Drive in Riverdale. Is that also your residence, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can go back, but only while accompanied by law enforcement to pick up some of your personal belongings.
Sorry, can I get that reduced, please?
Absolutely not. Not based on these allegations.
They didn't give y'all the OR.
Send me
I
Robinson.
asked for it, not asked for
So
it.
how much you say the bond was?
I don't know who keeps telling them to come after
20,000.
Y'all gonna ask for all that? We just tell y'all to go.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
No ORs, no reduced one.
You hear that? You hear that? No ORs, no reductions. That was the jail guard.
Good afternoon.
We don't kink shame around here. And we allow
Alrighty.
that.
What's your
Legal
name, sir?
fiction.
Good morning, Day.
We'll make room for
Day?
it.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Day, you're charged with criminal damage in the second degree. That bond is set at $3,000. You may not have any contact with Alexis Washington, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date. September the 8th at 8:30 a.m.
I'm sorry, ma'am, you're freezing up. Can you say it again? You were freezing up.
Hold on one second.
Thank you, madam.
Your bond is
I'm going for a
3,000. You
specific
cannot have any contact with Alexis Washington. Your preliminary hearing is September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I've also appointed an attorney. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Consenting adults.
Hold on.
Yeah,
Hello?
I know, Judge.
Hello.
Hello?
Yes, I can't see your face. It just say first appearance.
It's me. That's me, sir. I'm your hostess. With the mostess.
Oh, no, you just keep straight, all the way down the hall, elevator 2 and 4.
Deal. You deal?
No, either.
We have a lot of commands in the chat. Exclamation mark gobble, one of my favorites. I think Friday's one, Monday's one. Thursday might be one. I have no clue. We've watched a lot of court, probably over 1,000 episodes now between the two channels. If you like that, consider joining us. We do it most days, and it's a lot of fun. Maybe Friday isn't one. Maybe Friday is one. I don't know. I do know that there's a lot.
All right. I'm sorry about that. What was your name?
Maceo Healy.
Righty. Let him go back. I didn't do his yet. If you could skip him, because I need to look at his history.
And of course, we have Joe. Oh,
You have Ronald Hall. Can I get Ronald Hall and Hampton? Ronald Hall. So Hall and Hampton. What's your name, sir?
Good afternoon.
Hey,
Ronald
Hamilton.
Yeah.
All right, you're charged with
Alrighty, how
simple
you doing
assault.
today?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. You're charged with simple assault. I've set that bond at $1,000. You cannot have any contact with Felicia Johnson, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you live in the same residence with Miss Johnson?
Yes, ma'am. We just moved down from Miami.
Okay.
Okay, you can't
Miami,
go back to
baby.
that
Yes,
location.
I want to go to Miami.
Hold on.
She said,
Can I
just
go
call
back
her
to
when you get
Miami
there.
with him?
Oh, this happened in a car. Okay. You can't
Yes.
have any contact with her. I've set your preliminary hearing date for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Okay, you said my mom 1,000?
Good night, Bill.
Yes.
We love ya.
Thank you.
All right.
Yes.
Go to that big crowd.
Huh?
Mr. Hamilton?
Yes, ma'am. Get a sack, make a left, make a right, all the way down to the medical door. They all the same. Ain't nothing different.
Mr. Hamilton, you gotta
Mr.
change your
Hamilton.
ways. You got a book for a criminal history. Jesus.
Ma'am, I thought I already had changed my ways.
Oh, okay. All right. So you're charged with criminal trespass.
That's it. And I'm willing to plead guilty to getting it over with.
Walk up that hallway, through the door on the right.
All right. So if you get out, you cannot return to that location, okay?
Cool.
Cool.
Your bond is set. I'm setting your bond at 500.
So I'm not able to plead guilty to it.
No, this is your first appearance. This is not trial. But I'll see if I can get your paperwork pushed.
All right, thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
God bless you.
All righty.
I don't know if that took. I think you might. Oh, take a drink, take a toke. Have a smoke, tell a joke. The toilet flushed again. And I muted myself. Probably trying to save
All the way down
the.
the hall, 2 and 4.
4 ears. Yeah,
What's
the
your name?
vibe I'm going for is early 2000s chat room with a real hot girl and trivia. That's the ideal. That's what I'm actually going for.
Ms. Harper?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Harper, you're charged with fleeing and eluding. That bond is set at 5,000, reckless driving, 2,000, passing on the shoulder, 1,000, for a total bond of 9,000. Your preliminary hearing is scheduled for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. And I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
We have a sack all the way down the hall.
Your Honor, did you need Ely right now?
No, if you can, I'm not ready for him. He's probably gonna be one of the last ones.
You go sit right down. Go sit in sixth right now.
There's so many commands. I don't know if E already is one. We've done trivia. What I want is like, there was a trivia chat room where it was in the chat on its own. And basically the chat like timed it who answered fastest, and then you got points, and it would keep track, and it was totally separate from what I believe was the game I was playing on Yahoo. I'm pretty sure, but they had it back then, which tells me they can have it now.
What's your name? Sir, what's your name?
Harwell.
All right, Mr. Harwell, you're charged with theft by taking. I've set that bond at 3,000. You may not have any contact with Franklin Lackman, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you guys reside in the same home?
No, ma'am. I just know I had 3-1. I missed 3 court dates. Does it shows that over there?
Things not to say to a
I don't
judge.
know, sir. You're
I had 3-1. I missed 3 court dates. Does it shows that over there?
I don't know, sir. Your criminal history is also a book. It's so much stuff in there. You have spent more time with us than you have your own family.
That's right, that's true.
Let me
Judge is
see.
full of the zingers.
I am gonna go ahead and appoint an attorney.
Alright.
And this is misdemeanor. Your preliminary hearing is September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
So that's a misdemeanor?
It is a misdemeanor.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, sir.
All right.
Ooh, I'm hungry.
What's your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Antavius Henderson.
All right, Mr. Henderson, you're charged with VGCSA. That bond is set at 8,000. Possession of marijuana less than an ounce.
VGCSA stands for Violation of the Georgia Controlled Substances Act. Woo! I thought it said was something else, Judge, with the V leading. You know, when you lead with the V, it can be tricky. But the GVCSA is the Georgia, a violation, VGCSA, Violation of Georgia Controlled Substances Act, aka drugs. Is that Velcro?
How much did you
1,000. Violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act. Another charge. That one is 5,000 for a total bond of 14,000. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Again, your bond amount is 14,000. Good luck to you, sir.
Learning, there's no banning around here, by the way.
Scoot all the way down.
I am gonna make
Hi, are you
more.
Mr. Hurt?
No, I'm Mr. Hicks.
Oh, Mr. Hicks.
Yes.
Not Mr. Hurt, Mr. Hicks. Sounds like a song from the Sticks.
All right, you got to put him to the side too. So Ely and Hicks, I haven't gotten to them, to him either.
Ely and Hicks, they wait to the side.
I'm ready for Hurts and Polites.
Hurts and Polites? Are you joking? Now, this is a joke.
What's your name?
Is this Mr.
Alonzo
Polite?
Hurt.
Mr. Hurt.
All right, Mr. Hurt, you're charged with obstruction. That bond is set at 1,000. Simple assault, 500. Okay, I see here you don't have a criminal history, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you out.
All right.
But I don't want to see you back.
No, you won't. So what's my bond? I got a bond?
No, she just dismissed it, man. Go on.
Oh, I'm just making sure.
But I didn't I'm gonna let you out on a signature bond. What now? You guys know it as a signature
Not
bond, so you don't have to
dismiss
post
it.
bond. You'll just get processed out. You'll sign saying you're gonna come back to court.
Okay.
Go ahead and sign that waiver for me. But I am gonna go ahead and appoint you an attorney, all right?
All right.
Good luck to you. Mr. Polite?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, next I'm gonna do Robinson. All right, Mr. Polite, you're charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at $2,000. You may not go back to the Happy Store at 7694 Terra Boulevard in Jonesboro, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing.
Hold on, Mr. Plight is not allowed back at the Happy Store? Is this a fucking joke? At this point, this is a joke. Is this a joke? This has to be a joke. Mr. Polite is no longer allowed at the Happy Store because he didn't behave and follow the rules.
For September the 9th. I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Turn that frown upside down, Mr. Polite. Mr. Mad. I mean, what is your
Elevator
name?
2 and 4, you can go to house unit 4.
What's your name?
Deshaun Robinson.
All right, Mr. Robinson. I can have Mr. Rushing next. Russian. All right,
Oh,
Mr.
we
Robinson,
got a
you're charged
Russian
with
coming up.
disorderly-
We know that I love Russian sour cream. That's an obscure reference. I love dairy products. And I love to try weird new ones. And Russian sour cream has been one of my favorite new things to try. It's delicious. It's very thick. Very creamy. Delightful. Anyways, I doubt the guy coming up has anything to do with it, but I'm tired and hungry.
Conduct. Russian. All right, Mr. Robinson, you're charged with disorderly conduct. That bond is set at $1,500, obstruction $1,000 for a total bond of $2,500. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. You can't go back to that Family Dollar.
Okay.
And that Family Dollar is located at 6365 Highway 85. And that's considered Riverdale.
Well, can I explain a little bit about the charges and
No.
maybe it can help the situation?
Probably not a good idea.
Remember I said, if you just have to say something, go ahead.
Okay. Well, could you probably reduce the bond?
We just told
Why would
y'all-
I do that?
We just told y'all not to ask for a reduced fund or OR.
Oh, I didn't. Okay. Well.
You
Okay.
have something to tell me, say it. What is it that you want to tell me?
Well, the obstruction charge,
Like, can you see the descript? Like, could you read the description back to me?
It says that you attempted to bite the officer and that you were resisting arrest. You tried to grab his taser.
Okay. Well, like, I didn't bite him at all, but also I know that the grabbing his taser, that's a separate, that's another, like, that's something else added on instead of it just being, like, cause I don't know how he put those charges together, but
Okay, well, I'm gonna let you explain it to your attorney,
okay.
and I'm setting your bond is still remaining at 2,500. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
What's your name, sir?
Russian.
All right, Mr. Russian. After that, I'm gonna do Seals. You're charged with violation of Georgia Controlled
Judge,
Substance Act. That bond.
Seals can't consent. You can't do that. You know, I don't kink shame, but a seal can't consent. Did you hear that? My phone agrees. So you can't be doing seals next, please, Judge.
I said it's 8,000. Possession of marijuana less than an ounce, 1,000. Another
Good night, Legal
BGCSA
Fiction.
5,000
Thank
for a
you
total
again
bond
so
of
much.
$14,000. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I am going to go ahead and appoint you an attorney. Your preliminary hearing is September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Uh-huh. Mr. Seals?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and then next I can do Ward. All right,
board?
Mr. Seals, you're charged with tag violation. That bond is set at 500, no insurance.
Oh my god, if I was a better YouTuber or I had guys on the truck, I wish they could just do this.
All right, and then next I can do Ward.
Just wait, I'm gonna pause it perfectly.
All right, Mr. Seals, you're charged with tag.
You're it!
Violation. That bond is set at 500, no insurance, 1,000 obstruction, 2,000 for a total bond of $3,500. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I am going to go ahead and appoint an attorney to you. The preliminary hearing is September the 9th. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. So your bond is $3,500.
Thank you, ma'am.
Right? All righty. Good luck to you, sir. What's your name?
Charles Edward Ward.
All right, Mr. Ward. Next, I'm going to do Tucker. All right, Mr. Ward, you're charged with battery. That bond is set at 5,000. Aggravated assault.
Active assault?
1,000. But normally I do no bond on these type charges. But I did one for 20,000. You must stay away from Tierra Ward, and you may not return to 392 Lakefield Drive in Jonesboro, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond.
Brooklyn likes the beard. I don't know.
These are some serious allegations. If they are true, the victim in this case would do herself justice and staying away from you as well, or something bad happens, if the allegations are true, of course. Your preliminary hearing is September the 8th at 8:30 a.m.
Danger is attractive sometimes. It's hard to explain. Don't think too much about it.
And I am appointing, actually, you don't qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I cannot appoint one to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Peace
Do I
out,
have a
bro.
bond?
25,000.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
No contact with her.
Yes, ma'am.
None.
Alrighty.
None. But Brooklyn would like your number. I'm sure it's the doors, but it sounds like
What's
they're
your name,
beating
sir?
them with
Tucker?
phone books.
Zachary Tucker.
All right, Mr. Tucker, you're charged with aggravated assault by strangulation. I have denied that bond. The battery, 5,000. You must stay away from Yatin Patel, and you must not violate any laws while you're out. Once you get out on bond, or when you get out on bond, I'm also appointing an attorney to you.
So,
Your
can you
preliminary hearing is September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. Yes, sir.
clarify for me? You're giving me a bond on one and no bond on the other?
Right. The aggravated assault by strangulation has no bond.
Okay.
All righty. I've also appointed an attorney. Good luck to you, sir.
Peace out, A-Town.
Name, sir?
Kari Lewis.
Take a drink. That was the toilet. In the clink. Sunday night, but in my world it's Thursday fucking night. So let's get a little fucked up. Except remember, I'm just
How do you
drinking
know
Gatorade Zero,
Mr.
Judge.
Toll?
How do you know who?
She put a, I don't even know if that's her name or not. I don't even know who that is.
How do you know her? How did you come in contact with her?
She came to our house trying to fight my little sister, I guess.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying.
The sisters
Can't have
earlier.
any contact with her. But she doesn't live at this 526 Fielding Court?
No.
Okay. Right. So I'm going to take that off. I had you not returning there.
Stand in front of that door so she can see you. Stand to the right. Go to the right.
So the victim came, Miss Toll came to your residence?
Yes, ma'am.
For what?
They trying to jump my little sister.
That's what they do now? They come to your house?
That's what they did, yeah.
Wow. How old are you?
I'm 17.
Let one sister out. The other sister staying in jail. Got a bond. We already saw them.
All right.
They
I
were
don't see a
sheepish.
history. I'm going to let you out.
Not dismissing, but letting
All right?
him
But
out
you
on
can't
an
have
OR.
any contact with the victim, Miss Toll. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And stay out of trouble. Sign that. They're going to have you sign a waiver. So that you
Hi,
can get out.
Jonathan.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Good luck to you. I am going to appoint you an attorney, though.
Okay.
All righty.
Will we get another toilet
name,
flush
sir?
tonight?
Dwight Reese.
All right. Let me go back. Let me take Wade and Martin first.
I need some olives. I'm gonna get some
Wade and
olives.
Martinsburg.
Who is Martin? Martin. Martin. Oh, that was a B&B, Your Honor.
Who? Martin?
Martin, was that what he's in the hospital? I'm sorry, he's in the hospital.
Oh, in the hospital. Okay, so we need to continue this one. Martin. All right. All right. Put that over here. All right. What about Mr. Wade?
Me right here, man.
Mr. Wade, you win the prize of the biggest criminal history for the day. You win the prize. Oh my Jesus.
Oh, sweet baby Jesus.
All right. Mr. Wade, you're charged with improper lane change. That bond is set at 500. Possession of a firearm by a felon, 6,000. Dangerous drugs out of the right or proper container, 1,000. Driving on suspended license, 1,000, for a total bond of 8,500.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
And setting your preliminary hearing date for September the 8th.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
What's your name, sir?
She's Staten.
Say that again.
No, she's Staten.
Staten?
Staton.
Staten. All right.
What are you giving up on, Jonathan? We're glad you're here tonight. I'm just eating some olives to keep me salted. Holy fuck. How many did I just eat? Like 4? 5? I gotta log it.
I just love the kid on that slow shit.
Did you just say shit, sir?
Come on.
I'm gonna eat one more, make it
Really,
fun.
really, Mr. Staten? Really? Wow.
Yeah, get one.
All right, you're charged with sexual battery. The allegation is that in the TSA line, you grab somebody's butt. Don't have any criminal history.
That's inappropriate, sir. Even though I ask the TSA people to grope me every time I travel, I usually get laughs. I will say that. I make some jokes about it. Don't worry, I've always got through. But you're not allowed to grope. Again, consent, bro. If you had asked, I would have said yes.
And set that bond at 3,000. And I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Your preliminary hearing is September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. All right. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
We're set all the way down the hall, elevator tour. We on elevator. All y'all are all in.
What's your name?
Arthur Thomas.
All right, Mr. Thomas.
Yes, ma'am.
If you missed it, that was another toilet flush. Go ahead and take that drink, you lush. And yes, I am not the American, but I travel to America. It's those border people that I'm talking to.
Thomas, do you think you may have a drug problem?
No, ma'am.
No, me neither. I'm actually good. I have a Gatorade problem, though. It's the problem. Usually when we hear about people getting arrested at the airport, it's because they fucking stole somebody's bag. But that's a new one. Groping at the airport. Again, you just gotta find the right person in life and then you can grope at the airport. I mean, there is a line. Believe me. We've really towed it.
All right,
but
I'm
I
dismissing
promise
the
you.
DUI.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, y'all come grab y'all set and go sit there now. He finna go.
And I'm setting your bond at 2,000.
Couldn't you tell that I was Canadian because of how welcome you felt? My warm and engaging personality? Yeah. Canadian, baby.
Actually, I'm sorry. I can't read my own handwriting. I'm setting your bond at 1,500.
Yes, ma'am.
Your preliminary hearing is scheduled for September the 9th. Actually, I'm just gonna I'm gonna let you out.
Thank you.
She's just
So
letting
watch
people
this
out,
video.
Mikey.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you gonna
Back
hide?
here again.
Yes, ma'am.
Show a little tit.
So,
All right, thank you.
Take that out your pants and ass. Yes, steal it.
what's your name?
Dwight Reese.
Yes, ma'am. Thomas. Yes, ma'am.
This jail is a fucking nightmare tonight.
I may have lied earlier. You may have the longest criminal history.
Oh my god!
You may have won.
Dwight Reese.
Also, we've been
Yes,
taking a
Dwight
drink
Reese.
every time the toilet flushes, and I think we're up to 7.
All right. Hold on.
That is true.
Let him get 2 so we put it on.
You don't fuck with Canada is the lesson to be learned from that.
All right. For the VGCSA, I'm setting that bond at 2,000. Possession of marijuana, less than an ounce, 500. Tenant window violation, 500, for a total bond of $3,000. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Your preliminary hearing date is September the 8th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Again, your bond is $3,000. Good luck to you guys.
Thank you.
You don't want one cent? Get it.
What's your name?
Dante Wilson.
Is your body?
Oh, Mr. Wilson, what did you do?
How old are you, Mr. Wilson?
17.
17.
Sir, you look old. Bro. Oh my god. Would you ever guess that this guy is 17 years old? You've lived a rough life, bro. I'm so sorry. He looks old. I don't understand. What is going on?
How old are you, Mr. Wilson?
17.
17.
Wow.
Hey, get a pen, but they got to sign it.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Look like you don't have a criminal history.
It's my first time.
You went out strong. You went out the gate strong, I tell you. All right, so
Oh no.
I hate to see this. It's really disturbing. Too young for this. You're going to be sitting back there.
Sounds like somebody's throwing spam cans in the jail. Just like slamming them in there. Like that's what you get. I don't think I've ever eaten spam. Oh. What is the squeaking? Also, if any of you need paperwork signed for court-appointed
Let me
services,
just read
let me
these
know.
allegations to you.
Oh shit! Please do, Judge. Yes,
That
please.
you unlawfully assaulted the person of the victim, Zalicia Peterson. Do you know Miss Peterson?
Oh, it's freezing. What you say?
Do you know Miss Peterson?
No, ma'am.
You pointed a firearm at her, and you stated, "Don't fucking move," while pointing a gun at her face. At 17 years old, all right, so all right, your charges are possession of a firearm by a person under the age of 18. That bond is denied. Possession of a firearm during the commission of a crime. That bond is denied. Aggravated assault, denied. Armed robbery, denied. And then possession of marijuana less than an ounce, 1,000 drug-related items, 1,000. You must not violate any laws once you're able to get out. Your preliminary hearing is September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. and I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Up to you, sir. All righty.
Peace the fuck out. Again, it sounds like they're feeding people with phone books.
What's your name, sir?
Xavier Wright.
Xavier
Or
was
just the right?
given. First of all, Xavier, your parents were a little bit mean. They thought, you know what, we're gonna give him a Z or an X as his last name, as his first name, and then, but his last name's W, right? I'm assuming. So he gonna be last all the time. Yeah, Xavier wrong. Xavier wrong. Allegedly.
You're charged with theft by receiving stolen property and driving on expired license.
Oh my god. Well, who is calling?
Good afternoon, Carol.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is so chaotic.
You're currently on probation, sir. You
Sir.
just got on probation.
Sir.
Yes.
I mean, you just got on probation. I'm about to deny your bond.
Denied. Don't even ask, bro.
Then $500. I'm only denying the driving on suspended license. The theft by receiving stolen property is a felony, so I have to deny that because you are currently on active probation. Your preliminary hearing is September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. And I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
You want to for the 250, Charlotte?
That is it. That's all. We've gone for 2 hours, y'all. Denied is what we'll end on. Well, no, we'll end with my boobs, sort of. That's how a lot of nights sometimes end. Anyways, if you're new here, come back. We have a lot of fun. We watch court. We play games. We have a real good time. I don't know when I'll be live tomorrow. If it's tomorrow, it'll be late. And then Tuesday, we're back at the regular scheduled time in the afternoon. Pacific time. I'm on the West Coast. Do me a favor, though. Hit the like button, subscribe, even if you didn't like it. If you do that, then write me a comment about why you don't like it. Make it detailed. Paragraphs, I'll review them all, and then we can confer about it maybe in 2 weeks. We'll touch base again. But please remain subscribed. Anyways, no, seriously, thank you guys for rating. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Do me a favor, remember that I love you, and I'm proud of you, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye. Bye.
Ways down and ready to ride.